have a new today item for you. You know EcoFlow. You know they are the leader in this world of home power. EcoFlow is bringing you the largest capacity that they have ever offered. This is their 6,000 whole home power station. A whole home backup system, the solution for extended outages to keep your home functioning just as normal. What's really special about this is that this can handle anything your smaller power stations cannot. Your refrigerator, your washing machine, even your electric Tesla. This has such amazing power and dependability, and it's on a sale price new for you today. This is the first look. So if you have been in the market for any type of home generator system, this is the time to take a look at an item like this, and we'll tell you just why and what makes this a little bit more special and easy to use. It's portable, a little bit easier, probably a lot bit easier than your home generator system. $5,099.98 is your sale price. We have also given you your 5 easy pays. So if you're interested on splitting that up into 5 payments, that's in any major credit card, $1,020 per month. Yes, this is a considered purchase. We understand that, so we want to give you that easy pay to make it a bit easier, spread out those payments. And if you are in the market for generators, you know what all of that cost is. So when EcoFlow can bring this to you on a sale price, it is the time to take advantage. I want to welcome in the wonderful Melissa Dawson, who's here to tell us so much more, a home and lifestyle and technology expert. And Melissa, this is really the best of the best when it comes to EcoFlow.
Yes, so this is brand new. We have never seen this one before, and it is the biggest one that we offer. So we kind of have like a small, medium, large. Okay. I would say this is the extra large. Yes. This is our biggest power. So this is 6,000 kilowatts of power. So what does that mean? It means if your power goes out, this is going to get you through days of a power outage. We're not talking just a couple hours. This is something that would get you through days. The other huge advantage with this one as well is not only is it big power, but it really can support anything in your home. Anything from a cell phone. It's got we'll do a full tour here in a minute, but it's got our portable type A, type C connections, anything up to 120 volt connection. And then the big deal about this one, it can even support 240 volt connections. So you can plug in things like a dryer, things like your oven, anything that's 240 volt. Oh, and it even has a dedicated RV plug as well. Yes, you can plug your entire RV into the system. You could even charge your Tesla with this. So you can just see this is the most future forward technology available. We're gonna spend about 30 minutes on site. I'm telling you all about it.
Future forward technology is right. Yes. This is the future.
This is
it's
like
already
a space
here.
Machine. Yes. I love that this one is on rollers because it is a substantial item. But I love that we made it portable on rollers so you can roll this from room to room.
Yes.
But the amazing part about this is that with the AC charger coming included as well, you can just plug this into the wall. It's maintenance free. There's no gas, there's no fumes, there's no cranks, there's nothing scary about this. It recharges, Rachel, in only 2 hours.
This we need to reset over and over again. If you're thinking, well, that must take hours and hours to charge, no. 2 hours to full charge.
Just completely recharge. So the same amount of time it takes your cell phone, completely recharges in 2 hours. 5-year warranty coming included here, by the way, and it's maintenance free. EcoFlow is the national leader in this space. No one does it like they do. But let's just get started showing you some demonstrations, because that's really what this is all about.
And can we talk just quickly about who is this for?
Yes. So I would say if you've been considering getting a gas generator, you've been considering getting that Generac for your home, this is what this one is really made for. Generacs can be great, but they're a huge investment. They're $10,000 to $20,000. Then you have to invest in like a propane company, get the propane tank, and it's something that stays with your home when you sell it.
You can't maintain
and you have to
maintain years and years.
Yes, you have to have like a yearly service contract. So, and you can't take it with you. So if you're thinking we might downsize in a couple of years, this you're taking with you. It's completely portable. So this is just A, more affordable, and then B, portable. It's not staying with your home. So people love that. Gas generators too can be great. For me, they're a little intimidating. Like I would not be able to hook up a gas generator. I can't even get my lawnmower started.
Yes.
I can't do the crank. I just can't do it. So yeah, if the power went out and I had a gas generator, this is easy.
If you can plug something in, you can use this.
It's a power button, and you can see it's whisper quiet. We're going to be plugging it in and really putting it to the test throughout the hour, and you're going to see how incredibly quiet this is. But all you have to do is actually just turn on the button. You just start plugging in your items. So that's the beauty with this. There is an app that you can download. We'll show you that, but you don't need to use that. So if you're not an app person, you don't have to worry about that. You're going to get it home. You're going to plug it in the wall, charge it up for 2 hours, store it in your closet. It holds a charge for up to 3 months, like 100% charge.
Okay.
Just maybe pull it out, you know, put a little calendar reminder every 3 months and give it a top off charge. But then you just simply turn it on and start plugging in items. That's all you have to do. It's maintenance free.
I want to run through, you're seeing some of those top features right here, and you know if you're in the market for an item like this, you can already tell as you're looking at those specs, this is the top, this is the best of the best that you're getting, the largest capacity ever offered. This is going to charge your Motorola phone 107 times, your fridge for 46 hours, your washing machine can run 61 times, and then you charge it for 2 hours and it's ready to go again. And this can handle those big appliances that others cannot. So let's start plugging in.
So we're going to start plugging in items, doing some demonstrations that we've never done with any of our other EcoFlows before. I love these magnetic doors, by the way. When you pop them open, they will actually stay open.
Great.
So I'm actually plugging in a portable air conditioning unit. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's going to start powering here. So all you have to do is just, again, turn on the button, turn on AC if you're plugging in something that's an AC unit.
Okay.
And now you're seeing, we're going to go ahead and turn that on the front.
Oh, I hear it. It's
there it goes. It's opening up. It's going to start working here. And our display will automatically adjust to show us how many hours or days that we can run this air conditioning unit
look at the
forward.
largeness of this screen. How intuitive and easy. I know we're at 98% charge. You automatically know, okay, if this is getting low, all right, maybe I'm going to unplug the laptop so I can make sure the fridge is going to stay running.
Exactly.
You know, because of that wonderful screen and display.
That's exactly right. And with this, you know, you'd probably run for about 4 to 5 hours. You could run a portable air conditioning unit. So that's amazing. The other thing that we have plugged in here as well, so I'll kind of show you our refrigerator is temporarily out right now. So we have no power. Our power went out. Oh, and you know how it is. You probably just went to the grocery store, right? Because you knew the storm was coming. You loaded up on groceries, and now the power is out. So probably a little hard to see from where you are, but you can see it's dark over here. So we'll go ahead, close it again. We have that hooked up to an extension cord. And keep in mind, this is a commercial size refrigerator, so much more powerful than the fridge you would have at home. So we'll go ahead and plug that unit in again, right? And you've got 4 of those 120 volt connections right across the front. And if you wouldn't mind opening the refrigerator for us again, just to show that we now have power.
The light is on. We'll get the other camera a little bit over there so you can see it.
And the
light is now on, so it is now
we've got that
running.
Now we've got that power. And in our lab testing with the average home refrigerator, this will actually power 45 hours for your home refrigerator. So this is something that's not just going to get you again through a few days. If your power is down for days at a time, this is something that's going to get you through days of a power outage.
Now, can I plug in more than one appliance at the same time?
Yes. So great question. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we've got our commercial size refrigerator plugged in right now. And then I'll go ahead and add, let's say we're going to add the air fryer to that.
We want to make some chicken nuggets. So we're going to plug in the air fryer.
And that's the beauty about this one. So you can actually do 7,200 total watts of output.
Wow.
So something like an air fryer, full size refrigerator, those are probably pulling about 1,500 watts each.
Okay.
So with other things, you'd have to really be careful about not overloading your system. So you could probably only do like one heavy appliance at a time. With this one, you can do multiple. So now we've got our air fryer plugged in.
And then as Melissa plugs that in, the output is changing. So now we see that output is at 1,149 watts.
That's right.
And we can have an output up to 7,000?
Up to 7,200.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh,
and that's the huge EcoFlow differentiator. So they support kind of the most amount of output available, fastest recharge times, and best warranties in the industry. So again, this completely recharges in only 2 hours, and then 5-year warranty coming included as well. So they're a national leader for a reason.
Who has been looking into getting a whole system generator, getting a gas generator, you know the cost, you know the price, you have to have someone come install, you have to maintain. Instead, maybe this is going to be a bit more upfront for a cost, although not too much more if you've done shopping around, but a bit more, but it's portable. You could lend it to a neighbor if they need it. You could lend it to your son and his family if they lose power at their home. You can bring it with you if you move somewhere else. You can move it room to room because it does have the wheels all included. Already, you don't have to purchase anything additional. The wheels are here for you. This sale price saves you $699. You are getting the first look here on QVC2. The best way to place your order is to give us a call. That phone number is down on the corner of your screen, 800-500-7590. And to make it a bit easier for your budget, we do have your Easy Pay. So any major credit card, 5 easy pays, that is about $1,020 per month for the next 5 months for your peace of mind. This could be extreme weather, freezing temperatures, wildfires, downed power lines. This is really your safeguard, and you know it's here for you. Whenever it depletes, you charge it again for 2 hours.
2 hours, and you are back in business.
Go again.
And again, keep in mind, there's no gas, there's no fumes, there's no cranks, there's no maintenance. With gas generators, there's maintenance involved. And we all know gas generators too can be so incredibly noisy. A lot of homeowners associations, condos don't even allow you to have gas generators because of the noise. The other thing is security, right? Because with gas generators, you're running extension cords through your front door, your side door. You can't lock up your home at night and safely have that, that additional backup power. So this is whisper quiet. You're going to be able to use it again inside your home. It's just like that same technology that works in your cell phone. Now you just have a 6,000 kilowatt hour battery giving you that constant charge. Again, your fridge is out, you simply plug this in, and now you're back in business. It's got those ports right along the front. All you have to do is just plug them in, press the AC button, and you are in business. It's just the easiest to be able to use, and again, the biggest battery that we have ever offered. So we really just love the versatility of this one. With some of other boxes, you've been kind of limited in terms of how much you can plug in. I would love to kind of give you a full tour here.
Yes,
so
let's do it.
yeah, so this one just has a lot of connectivity that we've never offered. Now, for people that really love being off grid, this even has a 4G port on the side.
Oh,
so if you wanted to, set up like a little mobile hotspot on the go, you can do that with this one. So that's what that port is going to be for. Then you've also got, again, a total of 420 volt connections right across the front, and they're all the 3-prong connections, right? So things like our full-size refrigerators or deep freezers, microwave ovens, hair dryers. You think about the most powerful appliances in your home. Coffee makers are actually one of the most powerful things, that heating element.
Interesting.
And a lot of the other backup power stations can't support like Keurig machines.
Okay.
This one can do all of that. So
you can
actually plug in up to 4 powerful devices at the same time with that 7200.
If the power's out in your neighborhood, everyone's knocking on your door because now you are the barista and you are the coffee shop all in one. At the campsite, at the RV park, you are the one that everyone is coming to.
It's so true. You're going to be that neighborhood hero. Then you've also got that 30 amp port connection. Now this is dedicated for like an RV. So RVers love this because, again, RV parks after 10 p.m. at night, you typically have a noise ordinance in place. You can't run your gas generator. Well, guess what? Now you've got backup power. This could power an entire RV system.
And you were saying that if you then needed to recharge this system, you could do that with your gas generator.
Yes, and we'll show you how to do that in 1 second as well. Then here is your 240 volt plug. We've never offered 240 volts on any of our boxes before, so this will support 240 volt connections up to 30 amps. So yes, things like your dryer, your ovens, just anything that's 240 volt, you can now plug in. Now typically you're probably going to need an adapter, like my dryer at home, my oven at home. All manufacturers are a little bit different. So when you get this home, just look at your appliances, figure out the connector that you need, you jump online, they're available for just a few dollars, but you just want to make sure that you have that when the power goes out. But the fact that you can connect 240 volts is huge.
Yes.
Now here on the side as well, campers and RVers love this. This is the Anderson 30 amp port. If you're a camper or RVer, you'll know what that port is, so that's available as well. Now solar panels. Do you have EcoFlow solar panels? You can actually recharge this, or if you want to pick them up down the road, then you've got the complete off-grid solution. Yes, you can recharge this via solar panels, and we have those available on QVC.com. Now this is where you're going to plug in your charger to be able to charge this at home. So just to kind of show you how that works. So there's our 3-prong connection. So all you do is plug that in, plug that into your wall when you get it home. Again, 2 hours, you're completely charged. Just give it a top-off charge every 3 months. That's all you have to do. Plug it in, store it, pull it out, turn on the button. You start plugging
takes longer than 2 hours to charge.
In items. Okay, so we're not done yet.
Let's take a look.
This just goes on and on. Then around on the side, this is where, like, let's say you have a whole home solar panel system.
Okay.
You can even plug that into recharge this way as well. So it even does handle that high input solar system as well. So if you happen to have that, great. Now this is a level 1 in-out port. So this is where if you have a Tesla, if you have a gas generator, power in, power out, you want to get 2 of these and connect them together. Just lots of versatility available here. And then real quick, when you do get this home, you can see that this is actually 2 pieces.
Okay.
It does